So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change account type on Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. It's going to look something similar to this. You can see your accounts, your performance, history of orders, terminal, payments and wallet, insights, benefits, trading, profile. Now if you get to accounts, once you're logged in, you can see your real and demo accounts. So these are the two types of accounts that you can choose between. But you can also click on this option here that's called open account. Once you clicked on that, you can see a lot of different options there. So you can see for standard accounts, a low minimum deposit with no commission, and it's made for all traders. You can see for standard cent, smaller lots, lower risk, great for practicing. So you can see some minimum spread, max leverage, and if there's a commission or not. You can see for pro, instant or market execution with tighter spreads and no commission, raw spread, direct market pricing with fixed commission, design for experienced traders, and zero spreads from 0 pips on top instruments. So these are the different options to get your specific account. And once you've opened that, it's going to start easily being your type of account. So just make sure that you have chosen the specific account that best suits you. You can also see for contract specifications here. And once that's done and you filled in your verification information, you can start trading with that specific account that you prefer. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.